Is Bitcoin about to go below $90,000 again? Let's talk about it. We can see here very clearly on the 1 hourly chart here, we touched the bottom of this channel again. And it looks like we're having a bounce. So the question is right now, will we manage to create a higher high? We need to go above the $92,400 for us to stay in this channel. If we're gonna go for a lower high again, I think we will most likely break down and probably retest this zone again at around $84,000. For now, let's see the RSI. Looks like it's going down, cooling off. Let's check also on the 4 hourly. On the 4 hourly, we can see we almost went to the overbought zone and we are already in the lower field here, so it's a little bit more bearish. So let's say it, I think we will most likely drop below. Probably where would be the next support, sitting here at around $88,000. That was also our price target from the double top formation here, and it looks like it's most likely gonna play out. We can see here we had this double top formation here, actually almost a triple top, and we dropped down below from there around $3,000 drop. That's around 3.5%. So still quite a big move if you know how to use leverage. Nevertheless, we will probably trade this move. Once I see a breakdown from this channel right here, I will most likely open a short. I already shared a signal in our VIP traders group. Make sure you're joining there. Link is in the description. There I already shared a trading setup that will most likely do very well. Now, what about Bitcoin here? We can see, I think we'll most likely break below. We can either go and retest this zone right here at around 94K and after go for higher price targets. But for now, I have to say it looks weak. The weekend is coming up, so we have to be very careful with our trades. That's why right now I'm tending towards the bearish side. I'm still super bullish long term. I think Bitcoin is going to be millions and millions of dollars per Bitcoin. It's just time for a cool off period. The 4 year cycle basically ended on October 13th, and since then prices have been basically just going down. We can see it here. We had here on October 13th, the market already started dropping since then. It already started a little bit earlier, a couple of days before, but we can see here already 32% drop after that. And it looks like we are most likely going to go for another drop even stronger. So we need to be very careful right now. It looks also a little bit like some of head and shoulders pattern is forming, so we have to be even more careful. The head and shoulders pattern would be quite crucial. That would be around 45k move. So let's see, we have to be careful. We also have the rising wedge pattern, which has a price target of $48,000 here on the daily. That's a thing that we can't forget about. It's not unlikely. Bitcoin went down 75% previous bull market, and I think it's possible to see also a big drop this bull market as well. So that's why we have to be prepared for everything. I don't think 75% from here it's still possible, but I think definitely we can go and retest the 74k, maybe even lower. So let's see. We are prepared for everything. We are traders and we make money when the market goes down and when the market goes up. That's what sophisticated traders do. And today I actually want to talk a little bit also about some stocks. I bought some Tesla the previous weeks and it's doing quite well. I think my entry was around 440, something like that, and I'm already up a little bit. That's quite nice, but we can see here double top formation on Tesla. Price target is 349. I don't think this will play out though. This is probably already invalidated, so we can get rid of this pattern later. Now it looks like it's going for another high. Reject resistance here at 472. Let's see if it will manage to break above and go for higher highs. I also bought some Google, which I think is doing quite well. They are a very big business. Basically, YouTube is from Google. You have Google, you have the Gemini AI, They have many products. They are so spread around all the sectors, and that's why I like them. They have crazy good revenues. Their P2E ratio is amazing, and they are doing everything right. That's why I'm very on Google. I think they will also play a big role in the whole AI play. Apparently, Google's AI is one of the best, and that's why I'm happy to invest in them. Let's also take a look at Ethereum here, which is currently dropping a little bit. Let's see this pattern right here. We can see we got rejected exactly from the top of this channel, which most likely will indicate a move to the bottom of the channel right now, 2300. That's the zone where the bottom of this channel is, and we have to be prepared for that. That was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time.